What is discrete data? This video provides an explanation of discrete data with examples. Discrete data consists of data that is finite or countable with whole number values, that is 1, 2, 3 to 100 to 1000 and so on. You should be able to count components of discrete data individually. Examples include the number of students in a class, the number of tosses of a coin before getting heads, 3. The number of schools in a state, 4. The number of cars in a parking lot. You realize that in all these examples we cannot have a half, a quarter, a third, or any kind of a fraction of the components of data in this category. For example, we cannot have half a student or a third of a student. Also, the number of tosses of a coin can only be observed in whole numbers. Every toss counts as one toss. The number of schools in a state, we do not have half a school or a third of a school and so on, as applies to cars. Discrete data of the finite type. Discrete data can be divided further into discrete data of the finite type and discrete data of the infinite type. Discrete data of the finite type includes all of the forementioned examples where the collection of data is in whole numbers and is predictable. The examples include when counting the number of cars in a closed parking lot, the total number of cars does not change, thus counting is predictable. However, suppose we were to count the number of tosses we would have to toss a die to get a 6. We could have infinitely many possibilities. We could toss once and get the 6. We could toss 1,000 times and get in order to get the 6, and we could go on tossing without ever getting the 6. So we cannot predict the number of tosses we need to make to get a 6. Thus, such data is discrete since the number of tosses can be counted in whole numbers, but of the infinite type since the number of tosses is unpredictable. That would be all. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly subscribe to help us continue making helpful videos for you. Ciao.